What's up with it? How you doing?
Good.
I miss you, girl.
You missed me.
Uh-huh.
You didn't even know I wasn't here.
I ain't know. I was like, damn. I had to deal with this lady.
No, he wouldn't.
I wouldn't. She know I don't cuss. I
You
just.
know that today is my son's
Uh-huh.
day here?
Oh, today is it?
Yeah, today's his last day.
Today his last day. Let me see. I'm gonna be back, miss. Let me eat this hot dog. Oh, this my boy, y'all. What's up with it, man? Gotta go tear this hot dog up. Bullshit ass hot dog they got. It's made right though. That's about how I like it. Made sure y'all made it to the cook part. I'ma sit it. I'ma sit over here in case they finna spray the track. We ain't gonna miss nothing. Where your toppings at? I should've got something right. Man, I ain't getting nothing. I'ma eat it like this. I'm tired of walking.
She did to,
What's up? I got my boys up here. Hey. You? Got my boy up here. Let me see.
I see your car right now. Who you racing?
Yeah, that's my car. Let me see. I don't even know how I'm gonna do
You
this.
got all this new fingerlads, little stand. You got a whole stand for the car. To watch you eat some chips.
Yeah. Hey, y'all. I don't know why. Oh, you can tighten this up.
You got 20 minutes on
20
concessions and beer and alcohol.
20 minutes,
Once again, you
guys.
got about 20 minutes on concessions and beer and alcohol.
Once again, you got about 20 minutes. Once again, you got about 15 minutes for fuel or nitrous. Damn. Go?
No, I'm gonna go get some ice for the clothes.
now.
Okay.
Man, check the scene out. How you doing, little man?
Boy, I'm glad I got there. But this thing good. I done substituted my cheese for Dorito. Look out, Bon Bon. Look out. It's 2:42 now. Ain't the racing going on? Yeah, they getting the track prep right now. Got a big grudge race coming up. Big grudge race coming up. Let me see. Gonna check on that transmission on that Mustang tomorrow. Danger music now. Attention in the pit sky. You got about 15 minutes remaining to get fuel or nitrous. Yeah, okay, yeah. What you know about that? I wonder if she put that on. I'm gonna go to TI because that's who Lookout Racing looks like. Here go the Grudge race right here, y'all. Look out, y'all. Where you betting at, man?
What's up, buddy?
Where you going?
I don't know.
Man, you ain't got
a
a
good race. I think
good race. Man, I need somebody betting. Where you going? Oh, the truck. Lil Sean, you betting? You got the truck? Okay. Oh, the car. Okay, you got the car. Oh, that's my boy, y'all. Dang. I ain't know he was gonna drive. Hey, where you going, man? Mustang. Okay. Hey, where you going? Oh, you going on there? Scrapper. I don't know, you Scrapper? Okay. I'm going with Scrapper too. I need to find somebody. Who said that truck? I need to bet. Damn, I done lost in that fast. Damn. Oh, you? Well, that you said the truck? How much? Yeah. You want 250 to 200?
Yeah, give me 250 to 200. I'll take the truck.
Damn.
Everybody want the car. I don't want the down.
That's what I said too. That's why I got it.
Nah.
50 more dollars, 250 to 200. I'll take this white bill.
Nah, I'll do 100 head up.
Give me 150 to 100.
Nah, hell nah. Hey, who got that truck, man? I want to go with the favorite. Hey, who you going with?
I'm gonna take the truck.
How much?
Money.
That's better 100. Nah, that's too much, man. You got like it's an odd race.
It is.
Well, why they racing?
Ain't nobody else racing.
Well, don't bet with him if you think he gonna lose. Hey, where you going, man? You don't know yet? Damn. Hey, man. Where you betting at?
I'm bet with the Mustang, man.
Oh, okay. What about you?
I got the truck.
How much? Let me bet you 100.
You gonna give me 150 to 100 like I just got?
No,
I'll take that all day long.
No, I can't
That's
get.
straight gambling.
I can't do
I'm
that.
getting the underdog.
No, I don't.
That ain't strong.
I don't
That's
want to
light.
do it. I don't want to do it. Let me find Miss. You wouldn't happen to be betting, would you? Okay. Oh, you is? You got the. Hey, oh, you with him? Hey, he betting with the same car. You chose that because yeah. Okay.
Mustang was in Houston.
He might. Oh, okay. Oh, she know the Mustang from Houston, y'all. She seen it cutting up down there. Stacy a bet too. I wish he would be betting with this truck. I could make me $50, $100. Man, hey, look at we gonna bet 50, right? We betting 50, right? Okay.
Who you betting on?
I got the car.
We ain't bet 50 then.
Oh, okay. Damn.
Hey, I got $150 already on the car.
Okay. I need to find me somebody.